What was that? Got my heart jumping a little bit. Well, that was an awesome train. That first train there, that DPU, I was not expecting that. And like I was saying before, you don't usually get DPUs at the end of the train like that. And if you do get them, that is a treat for you. And let me see if I can zoom this out a little bit so you can see more of me. That's more like it. Like I was saying, you usually don't see DPUs on trains around here. So that's what made me really excited about the first train. Now the second train that was coming through, the westbound, it looked like it was going Longhook forward. I didn't say anything, I couldn't tell what it was doing until I got to the crossing and realized it was Shorthook forward. So usually trains do not travel Longhook forward around here either. I've never seen a train going Longhook forward around here yet. So wherever you are watching the world, wherever you are watching this, I hope you have a good day and stay safe out there, everybody.